Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python Celery, a distributed task queue library, to separate log files for better organization and debugging of your Celery tasks. Separating log files can be particularly useful when you have multiple tasks running concurrently, as it allows you to isolate and analyze the logs of each task individually. We will go through the following steps to achieve this. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install Celery using pip. Now, let's create a Celery application. We'll create a Python script named celery_log_separation.py for this purpose. In this script, define your Celery application and configure it to separate log files. In this code. In the previous step, we configured log file separation. You can customize the log directory and file names to fit your requirements. Now, let's create some Celery tasks and run them. You can define your tasks in a separate Python file and then run them using Celery. To run the Celery worker and execute tasks, open a terminal and use the following command. Here, tasks is the name of the Python file where you defined your Celery application and tasks. As you run Celery tasks, the log files will be created in the logs directory as specified in the configuration. You can analyze the log files for each worker and task separately to help with debugging and monitoring. For example, you can use tools like tail or log analyzers to view the log files. Separating log files in Celery makes it easier to identify issues and troubleshoot tasks, as you can focus on the logs of a specific worker or task without interference from other tasks' logs. That's it. You've learned how to separate log files in Python Celery for better organization and debugging of your distributed tasks. This approach can be especially useful when managing complex Celery workflows with multiple tasks running concurrently. ChatGPT.